a literal truck blow drying the track because it's so wet. It's so wet out there. Look at turn 1 on the inside lane, completely wet. The exit here entering 3, look how wet that is. I'm just gonna skip session 1. I'm not trying to extend this line out there.
Braking way too early there. Always brake early here too. But today is not the day to push it when my brakes feel like this. Let's hook in. Undering, you see that? Yeah. Just understeer today. Clean that shit up early. To this FD. Well, that was bad. It's all good. See if we can make it up. Turn, damn it! Can't get on power.
So I tried to record some thoughts at the track, but I shit you not, this is how windy it got. Instead of putting you guys through all that wind noise, I'm just gonna do a voiceover. So yeah, track weather was complete garbage. Wet all morning, and by the time it dried up, it was this windy. This was just a shakedown event for me anyway. First track day of the season. I didn't set the car up at all besides new tires. I was on the same old brakes, pads, rotors, and even boiled fluid from last season. I didn't even bother to align the car, which is why it was understeering so much compared to when it was set up last season. With such a crappy setup, first event of the season, and god-awful weather, I'm pretty satisfied with the 24. Without tryharding it too, as you could probably tell from me doing the live commentary through the lap. That's a pretty solid time at streets by any means. My PB in ideal conditions was a 23.8. That vlog will be linked in the description, but to be within striking of that on this day was pretty cool. Overall, the day was a reminder that wet and wind are even worse than heat, but it's always a good time driving at the track and making it back home with everything in one piece. Shout out to Brakefast Kev for hosting the event. Thanks for watching, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys in the next one. Look at the freaking wind, bro. Oh my god, literally blowing off the freaking street sign.